see so many people doing the line dance, and I don't even know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. I tried to learn it. I've learned a little bit, but I let them go ahead and have fun with it. They created it, so you guys can go look it up, Hip Swing and Blues Line Dance. Thank you, Russellville. I would love to come back. Would you like for me to come back? Please have me come back. I want to say thank you to my bass player, Mr. Kenneth Ortega. Y'all give me a hand. I said we have to keep young people with us, these millenniums, because if you over 40, anything can happen. So if he lost, he know how to do CPR, we'll be all right. Y'all give it up for my drummer, Don Davis. I wouldn't be in the position that I'm in today. Even back in 1998 when I was married to my first husband, this guy here I never met, didn't know, but he was assigned to me on the record label that I was signed to in New York City. And we just communicated via phone back then in 98. Didn't have all that super fancy stuff. And when I divorced, I was by myself for about a year and a half, and one day my phone rang. And he said, "You will never guess who this is." And I said, "It's Keith." He has such a distinctive voice. And we hadn't talked in probably 3 years. And he said, "I'm divorced." I was like, "Me too." And I didn't even know he was married. You know? I mean, the record label, we just did record business, so we never got personal or anything. But he thought about me, and he called me. I was single, and he was single. We've been together 13 years now. My best friend, my confidant, my partner in life. I can fuss him out on stage, and I get to go home and have fun with him too. Y'all give it up for my husband, Mr. Every now and then, you like to hear a little something from us, nice and easy. There's just one thing. They call me Diedra, the Alabama Blues Queen, and the Ruff Pro Band. And we never do anything easy. We always do it nice and rough. So we're going to take the beginning of this song and we're going to do it easy. Then we're going to end this song rough, yeah. Because this is how we do it. Cleveland's Clear Waters, proud man. Left a good job down in the city, working for the man every night and day. But I never lost 1 minute of sleep, and I was worried about the way that things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning, round and keep on burning, and then cleaned a lot of plates in Memphis, pumped a lot of paint down in New Orleans, but I never saw the good side of that city until I hitched a ride on the riverboat Queen. Big wheels keep on turning, Strawberry keep on burning, and we're good night, everybody. Thank y'all so much. All right, y'all, get up at y'all seat. This one last song, and we going home. Come on. Worked a good job in the city. Worked another lane every night and day. But I never lost 1 minute of sleep. But worried about the way things might happen. Big wheels keep on turning. international.